to our lipstick. So I hope you don't mind that the background is back. I got bored looking at the white. I just like this, so hope you guys don't mind. Anyway, let's get into the video. Today I wanted to do something kind of different. I haven't seen anyone else do this. I'm sure it's out there. I'm sure someone else has done this. I'm sure I'm not the first person to do it. But I was going through my makeup collection and I realized how much sample stuff I actually own. It's a ridiculous amount, like little sample packets of stuff. I have so many of these things and they're all makeup products. Like I do have skincare and stuff, but these are all makeup ones that I have in this little bag here. So I really wanted to try and do a full face of makeup. So unfortunately, the only product that I don't have is eyeshadow, because I used to have a little sample Smashbox eyeshadow, but I sent it to Glambot a while back, so I don't have that anymore. And I'm just gonna kind of like do what I would do on a daily basis, like if I'm running errands and stuff and that kind of makeup. So I don't usually wear eyeshadow on those kinds of days. What I'll maybe do is put a little highlight on my lid, and that's just kind of it. So I figured that's totally fine. I'll just do my everyday, and then doesn't matter that I don't have eyeshadow. So let's get into it. I'm really kind of excited to do this. So I do actually have a sample sunscreen from Replenix. It's called the Ultra Matte Perfection Sunscreen. I'm not going to put this on though because I'm not going anywhere and it's 11 o'clock at night. So I'm not going to put sunscreen on, but I did intend on using this for this video if I filmed it during the day. Because you should always wear sunscreen. Okay, so for primer today, I have quite a few different ones, so I was just kind of going through them, but I've never tried this one. This is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. I've heard great things about it, but I've never used it, so I'm gonna try this out and see what it's like. Actually, not much in this packet. This package is huge, but there's like nothing in it. So hopefully this is enough to do my face. It's actually a really like liquidy consistency, so yeah, there should be plenty for my face. It feels really nice on the skin. It feels like a really nice moisturizer, like my favorite Rimmel primer. It smells really good. It smells like when I went to Mexico with my husband. The hotel we stayed in had this really nice, like clean scent. It smells like that. That totally brings me back to my honeymoon. So next up, before I do my foundation, I'm actually going to put this color corrector on. This is from Tarte. This is a light medium color corrector for under eyes. And I've got the shades light medium and medium tan. Obviously, I'm not medium tan, so we'll see if light medium works okay. And it looks like just a really nice peach color corrector. I use the one, I think it's from Benefit as well, all the time to correct these under eye purple awfulness. And it looks to be about the same shade as that one, so that's really nice. So I just like to go right under the eye, and I also go on my eyelid too because I have a lot of purple discoloration on my eyelid. That's really nice. Look at my right eye compared to my left. It looks so much better. This is good stuff. I'm actually going to go ahead and color correct my little scar down here, and then this one too. I normally would use green for this because green counteracts redness, but this peachy shade is working really well. I have a few foundation options here, actually quite a few. I don't think I want to try Burt's Bees, and I think the Laura Mercier is going to be too dark. These other ones are kind of like sheer tint ones, but I have these two. This one is a Smashbox one. I don't think it's going to be enough, so I might use this as concealer. This is it says it's medium to full coverage, so I think this little packet might work well as a concealer for me. Oh, there's a concealer down here. Okay. So that's not going to be enough foundation to do my full face. So I think I'm going to do the Touche Eclat, which I've never tried. This is called Touche Eclat Tainte. The shades that they gave me I think are going to be way too dark, but we're just going to try it out. I have BD25 Warm Beige as the lightest shade. We'll make it work. I already said I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter. Ooh, yeah, that's yellow. Holy cow. I'm going to look ridiculous. So in hopes of savoring the product, I'm actually going to use a brush to apply it so the beauty blender doesn't suck up too much. It's way too dark, you guys, just so you guys know. Like, take a look at that. We'll just pretend I'm that tan. This product smells really good too. Everything is smelling delicious. I've heard about YSL foundations and people saying that it smells like really perfumed. I actually really like it. Well, crap. This is a beautiful foundation, and I know YSL is really expensive. I want to buy like everything I've put on my face so far. This is insane. My face looks so good right now, you guys. It looks like I'm completely airbrushed and I have no pores. Okay, so next up, we'll move on to the Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer. I've heard good things about this. I don't remember from who, but I know I have maybe Tarte. I'm just going to apply this with my finger so I don't waste any product. Oh, look how light that is. Usually this would totally be my color. Okay, that concealer is actually pretty good. I wouldn't say it's one of my favorites just because I do like a little bit more of a heavy duty concealer, but I can tell that this one is nice and hydrating. It's not going to be really dry on my under eyes, and it's not creasing yet. So I do like it a lot. It's a nice, like, I think an everyday kind of concealer, not something that I would wear for like special occasions or anything that I want really concealed under eyes. But it's good. I like it. Okay, so I do actually have a sample of the NARS Orgasm Blush, and I'm going to tell you guys a secret. I've never tried this blush. I think everybody in the world has tried Orgasm except for me. I was really into the NARS Blush Deep Throat, which is very similar. It's just more, I think it was more on like the peach side rather than the pink side. I'm pretty sure this is pink with like gold reflex. Deep Throat was more peach with gold reflex, and I like that one a lot. So I guess we're gonna try this out. I don't have a setting powder, so I'm just hoping that everything's gonna blend okay on top. Oop, I think I got way too much. Ooh, that is sheeny, holy crap. It actually seems to be applying really well over the foundation. The foundation pretty much set down, so I don't think this is one you need to powder. Okay, so I'll say it's a very pretty blush, but for my skin tone, I don't think it suits me very well just because I'm so pale. I don't usually like it when it reflects gold because it looks very unnatural on a really pale skin tone like mine. I usually have to reflect white because I'm pretty much the whitest you can get. Even with this like fake tan foundation that I have on right now, I'm still pretty pale. So I just don't think it's complimentary to my skin tone, but I am glad that I was able to try it. Next up, we have a mini little sample size highlighter of What's Up. Very excited about this. My friend actually gave this to me, Caitlin. Thank you so much, Caitlin. I'm finally getting around to using this. So I'm going to try it out. It's a cream highlight, and I've heard a lot of great things about this highlighter too. It's supposed to be a beautiful champagne highlight, and I love cream products. Ooh, that's pretty. Now this is a lot more complementary to my skin tone. It's just a little bit more naturally reflective rather than gold on me. If you have like medium to tan skin tones, gold is great. Medium. Okay, I love that. That's a gorgeous highlight. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use the crap out of this. You get so much in there. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, so this next product is a little bit cheating, but let me explain. So this is an Ofra eyebrow pencil. This is not a sample size product. I've just used this so much, it's this small. But I did get this from an Ipsy bag, and usually from Ipsy you get sample to deluxe size products with the occasional full size product. So I thought that this kind of fit the bill because it came in one of those like sample trial size boxes, but it was a full size product at the time. I didn't have any other like fakey products. I didn't really have any other dark powder products that I could do my brows with, so I'm gonna do it with this. I almost forgot already that I was gonna do foundation as my bronzer, so I'll do that after I do my brows. Okay, so there are the brows, and I've actually already liked that pencil for a really long time. They do look a little bit strong today. I don't know why. But yeah, I do like that Ofra brow pencil. I will link all of these products down in the info box below just so you know, in case you're wondering what anything is. So let's move on. I'm actually going to be using the deep shade to do some contouring slash bronzing today of this Smashbox foundation. So just in case this goes on a little too strong, I'm going to use a microfiber brush just so not too much product goes on there. Okay, that looks really good. I like that a lot. It does look, I hope it doesn't look muddy on camera. It does kind of in the viewfinder look a little bit muddy, but in person, I don't see that muddiness. Maybe it just needs more blending. But it's super natural and gorgeous looking. It just looks like I have a natural tan, and that's what I love about like cream or liquid products. I definitely recommend this to you guys if you don't have a bronzer or you're even afraid of bronzer and maybe like you're pale. Definitely try just a darker foundation or a darker foundation powder. You can use those as your bronzer slash contour, and they look a lot more natural. I am in love with this. Okay, so next up for my eyes, I do have a little sample size of Kat Von D's tattoo liner in the shade Mad Max Brown. So I'm going to try to do a little bit of a wing. I'm terrible at it. Not going to be able to do it on camera. Don't even ask me to try because it's just embarrassing. And then I also have a sample size of the Lights Camera Flashes mascara from Tarte. I like this one better than the purple one, Lights Camera Lashes. I just feel like it works a little bit better. This one is a little bit dried out, so this is probably the last use I'm going to get out of it. And so is the eyeliner, but here we go. Alright guys, we had a total fail with the eyeliner. It completely ran out of ink as I was trying to put it on my eyes, and the mascara was completely dried out. So I just tried to put as much as I could on. What I'm going to do to maybe kind of salvage this a little bit, which I'm not sure even can be salvaged at this point, I'm just going to put a little bit of the highlighter on the lid and kind of cover up that line of terrible eyeliner, just so it looks like a little bit smudgy rather than so stark. Now, last but not least, we are going to move on to lip products, and I have a ton of lip products that I could be applying. I think I'm going to go ahead and go in with this gorgeous, like, burgundy type of color, just because it matches my shirt. And that's actually Rock Steady from Urban Decay and Gwen Stefani. I had a sample lipstick of hers. Okay, so I've never actually tried this shade of lip color before from Gwen Stefani, and I kind of thought it was like a true red, but it's actually a really like pink-based red, which I don't love, to be honest. They're not my favorite reds, but this one is pretty. It looks like a really nice berry shade when you lightly put it on, but the more you put it on, the deeper red it gets, if that makes any sense. I really like it. It's probably not a product that I would go out there and purchase, and I don't even know if you can anymore. But yeah, that was everything. So this was my complete full face of sample products video. I will link all the products down below and let you guys know what I'm going to end up purchasing, because I think there are quite a few items in this that I really liked and I would like to try out the full size. So I will link those down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was an interesting idea. Definitely encourage you guys to try out using your sample products, because you might just find some hidden gems you didn't even know that were great. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.